Well, as you may be able to figure out, it's exhaust day for the silver Grom. We're gonna get this Yoshimura put on there, do some testing on this, and we're gonna see what effects it has on the top speed. See if we can get some more top speed out of just doing exhaust. After that, we'll do the intake, then we'll do the tune, and kind of go from there. So, Yoshimura exhaust, silver Grom. I have a tail tidy for it also. I just haven't quite figured out what I'm gonna do turn signal wise yet. So today's exhaust day. Stay tuned. Sticking it off is super simple. You've got one nut and bolt here. You've got one nut that goes there, and then the two nuts that are up here. Sorry, one bolt goes up here, and the two nuts on there. Comes right off. Super simple. Come and take it off. It'll take maybe a minute and a half. I got the pieces to our new exhaust. Here's the header pipe. It's got an O2 bung, which we'll just use the block off for that. This is the mid pipe, and then we have the piece de la resistance, fancy muffler. So let's start mocking this stuff up. So right now we just kind of have everything loosely mocked up on here. So you can see it's wobbly, so we can get everything fit in its final positions, tighten everything up. Get the springs on, get that O2 bung in there, and see how she sounds. Okay, so she is on there. The small bore life Yoshimura exhaust. Everything's all nice and tight, fitting good. Now I do think that for the cost of this exhaust, that O2 sensor kind of bung can block off. Instead of having just two flat sides where you have to use like a wrench on it, or like a crescent wrench. Probably could have had it like an Allen head put in there, especially for the cost of this thing. Now it does come with these fancy little springs on here. The Yoshimura name on them. Comes with a nice little tool to put those on. I just always use pliers, but that was made kind of nice. It's not with the old exhaust and with the new Yoshimura. All right, so let's get this thing started up and see how she sounds. Sounds amazing. We'll get her out today and see if we can get a top speed on her. This is starting to idle down because it's warming up now, so yeah, I'm loving this. Let's see what it affects top speed wise and kind of go from there. All right, bud. Thanks for watching.